Welcome to our third tutorial. In this video, we'll be showing you how to navigate the CSU application. Let's go ahead and dive right in. As soon as you finish creating your account, you'll be brought to the dashboard. The dashboard is basically your application home. Here in the middle is the main part of your application. These four boxes are referred to as quadrants. Each quadrant indicates how many sections there are within it, and as you complete the sections, you'll see the progress bar increase. Once the progress bar is full and a check mark appears, then you know you're finished with that quadrant. These first three quadrants are required for all programs. Please keep in mind that all of the universities and programs you apply to will be receiving the exact same information that is entered here. The fourth quadrant is specific to the programs you're applying to. If it appears completed upon entering the app, then there are no additional questions that they have for you. That said, there may be important information here for you to read. For a walkthrough of each quadrant, check out our other tutorials. Before we continue, I'd like to mention that you are able to complete this application in whatever order you wish and may jump around as you please. But there may be a few questions that depend on information provided in other sections. Also, it's important to know that everything in the application is able to be edited up until you hit submit. Once you submit, many of the sections will become locked. Next, let's take a quick look inside one of these quadrants. Once you click on the quadrant, it will give you a list of each of the sections within it. These sections are called tiles. Selecting a tile will bring up each question within that section. While on this page, you can easily navigate to other sections by using the tiles to the left here. It should be noted that each of the sections must be fully completed before you're able to save. Leaving the page without saving will result in lost data. From here, if you'd like to return to the dashboard, just click the My Application tab at the top of the page. For now, however, we're going to head on over to the Add Program tab here. This page should look familiar to you. If you would like to add or change any of your selected programs, you do that here just like you did when creating your account. If you would like to change your selection at the same university, simply select the new program. A pop-up message will appear to confirm the change. Please note that you cannot remove programs from this page. You'll need to go to the Submit Application page to delete any unwanted programs. Let's try this now. Here you can see all of the programs that you've chosen. To delete one, just click on the trash can on the upper right-hand corner of the program tile. You must always have one program active, so if you're only planning on applying to one, you must add the program you really want first before deleting the other. For more information on this page and the Check Status page here, watch our tutorial on the submission process. Now, let's take a look at the top here. Notice that if you click on your name, a drop-down menu appears. We're going to take a peek at the My Profile option first. The information in your My Profile and Extended Profile is based on the information you provided when creating your account. Here you can update your contact information, opt in or out of texts and calls, and change your username or password. Moving on to your Extended Profile, this is where you can update your degree goal. In most situations where your application has missing or has additional tiles in the quadrants, it's because there was a mistake made here. We'll go into this more in our other tutorials. Also on this page and under your name at the top is your CAS ID number. You'll need this number if you call the Cal State Apply helpline. The last thing I'm going to cover in this video is the Help Center. The Help Center can be accessed in a few different ways. You can get there from here, here, or here. All these options are available on every page of the application. Opening the Help Center will open a new window. Let's see what's in there. The Help Center is full of great information, but this section here will be the most useful while completing your application. As you may have noticed, there is a link for each quadrant. Within those links, there will be information on each of the tiles in that quadrant. Of course, you're always able to contact our department if you need help too. We're always here to support you. Okay, let's head back to the dashboard. Alrighty, now that you know how to get around the application and where to go for help, it's time to start filling it out. Join us in our other tutorials for a walkthrough of each of the quadrants. See you there!